I have a PS5 DualSense controller here. I'm going to show you how to fix issues if you have issues with the control sticks or any of the buttons on here, okay? And you want to do this first before you try to take anything apart, okay? This will help for at least 60% of you guys. So what I want you to do is this, okay? But all the buttons here, what I want you to do is spam these buttons like crazy. Just keep pushing these buttons. What happens a lot of times if you get like dust or like hand lotion, sweat, you spilled coffee on there or something, it can cause some of these buttons to be kind of stuck or like jammed. Okay, so spam these, and the same thing with the control sticks. Go ahead and move these all around, all around. Try to lift it up, circle it around, push down, in, out, all over, and do all the buttons again. And then try to see if your controller is working. If it's not, do the same thing over, okay? Spam every single button on here, even the control sticks, get everything all nice and loose. Keep doing this, and then see if you're still having issues. If you are, try this again, guys. Keep doing this 5, 6, 7 times. Just keep spamming every single button. And like I said, there should be at least 60% thumbs up. So if it worked for you, thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down, okay? Good luck, guys.